Are you dreaming of joining the bustling restaurant scene in Germany? Today, we'll reveal crucial information you need to know. Germany presents a variety of job opportunities in its restaurants. Skilled workers are in demand, and international applicants are encouraged to apply. First, let's examine the necessary requirements. A valid work visa is essential. Language proficiency, particularly in German, is crucial as well. Experience in hospitality can be beneficial. Now, let's address the application process. Begin your job search online. Websites such as Indeed or Glassdoor are excellent resources. Customize your resume to showcase relevant experience. After applying, get ready for interviews. Familiarize yourself with the restaurant and its menu. Demonstrating enthusiasm and a desire to learn will help you stand out. Let's discuss salaries next. Entry-level positions typically earn between 1,800 and 2,500 euros monthly. More experienced roles can bring in 3,000 euros or higher. Tips and bonuses are also common benefits. Consider the work environment as well. Germany prioritizes employee rights and fair working conditions. Most restaurants offer structured hours and holidays. For instance, a recent applicant found work in Berlin. They began as a waiter and quickly advanced. Their hard work resulted in increased earnings and new opportunities. In summary, a career in Germany's restaurant industry is exciting. Understand the requirements and follow the application procedure. Research salaries to manage your expectations. If you're keen on pursuing this opportunity, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights on working abroad. To succeed in this dynamic sector, networking is vital. Connect with industry professionals locally, attend job fairs, and join hospitality-focused online forums. Building relationships can lead to referrals and valuable insights about specific establishments. Engaging with individuals experienced in working in Germany can offer guidance on navigating workplace cultural differences and expectations. Being proactive will significantly boost your chances of success. Prepare for an adventure filled with growth and opportunities while exploring Germany's rich culinary landscape. As you embark on this journey, stay adaptable. Embrace the challenges that come with adjusting to a new environment, including customs and language. Learning about German dining etiquette and local culinary traditions can also help distinguish you. Engaging in community events or cooking classes can enrich your integration and cultural understanding. Given the emphasis on teamwork and efficiency in the restaurant industry, showcasing your collaboration skills will be beneficial during interviews and on the job. Establishing a strong foundation of professional skills and cultural awareness will set the stage for a prosperous career within Germany's restaurant sector. In addition to skill development, look into obtaining relevant certifications recognized in Germany. Hospitality management courses or culinary training can illustrate your commitment to the field and enhance your job prospects. Several institutions offer programs in English, making it accessible for international candidates. Furthermore, understanding German food safety regulations underlines your dedication to maintaining high standards in the workplace. Explore internship opportunities to gain practical experience and improve your resume while networking within the industry. As you prepare for this journey, keep informed about the latest trends in the restaurant sector. Following industry blogs, subscribing to culinary magazines, and engaging with social media influencers can help you stay current. Awareness of contemporary dining trends, such as sustainability and health-focused menus, will also be beneficial during interviews. Your adaptability and innovative mindset are qualities employers will appreciate. Building a diverse set of modern techniques and knowledge will not only enhance your resume but also prepare you for the rapidly evolving culinary landscape in Germany. In conclusion, pursuing a career within Germany's vibrant restaurant industry is a fulfilling journey that promises ample opportunities for personal and professional development. By adhering to the outlined steps and embracing cultural experiences, you're positioning yourself for success in this thrilling culinary venture.